Welcome to my channel Flutter Coding 101. It is very nice to see you all today, and today we are going to be learning something very different, something very interesting. So today I am going to be teaching you how to integrate Gemini with your Flutter application. Now a lot of you must be thinking, what is Gemini? So Gemini is a generative artificial intelligence chatbot which was developed by Google in the year 2023, formerly also known as Bard. And Gemini provides support to developers to integrate it with their applications in case if you want to make an AI based application. So today I'm going to be making, and after having done with the integration, we are also going to be making our very own app like ChatGPT, but this is going to be a very basic version of the app. So it's going to be a text-based AI. So whatever prompts you give to the app, it will generate a response, and basically you will be sending the prompt to your Gemini, and the response will be coming over there, and we will be integrating our Flutter app with the Gemini model. And it's very simple. So let's quickly get started with this. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to add the package Google Generative AI. So you need to just copy. You can either add it from your command prompt, or you can just copy this package and you can go to your pubspec.yml file, and over there you just need to add the name of the package, or you need to add the name of your package Google Generative AI, and you need to save it, or you can run flutter pubget and install this package. Once you have installed this package, you need to go to the developer's documentation for Gemini, and you need to get your own Gemini API key. So you need to click over here on get a Gemini API key. It will generate an API key for you, and once the API key is generated, you can see the API key here. You just need to copy this API key, and as you can see here, it is currently free of charge. So once you have copied it, now we will create a model. So let's create our own model. So here you can see, to create a model, use the generative model over here. Here I have defined the model that I'm using for Gemini. Here I have specified my API key. I have declared this key, and I have specified my API key. You will be specifying yours. In this generation config, you are defining the type of response type. So here I have used text plain, but you can also use application/JSON if you want your response to be in a JSON format. So after having done this, I am declaring this content variable. So inside my content, I am putting the prompt that I will be giving. So for the prompt, I will be making a text box, and I will be passing the prompt from there. And once this is done, inside my response, which is a dynamic variable, I am storing the content which gets generated over here. And let's